MCM is so flexible it can be used as a water feature. Okay, this water has been running for 5 years. Now no special treatment has been done to the product itself other than your normal waterproofing. But it doesn't get mouldy, it doesn't degrade or break down. If you were to use normal tiles, for example, in front of an entrance, the tiles eventually will start breaking away from the wall, it will start hollowing out and deteriorating. But this one here, none at all, it's strong. So 5 years this has been running for, and there is no issue with the product at all. Now, underneath here it's like a pool of water. This has been sitting here for 2 years, and as you can see, it doesn't degrade, it doesn't break, it doesn't mould, nothing. Because it's natural stone, it's not electrostatic where mould or dust sticks to it, it dispels. Just like it would in nature, so very natural. So this MCM has been sitting in the water submerged 2 years, sitting here like this. So yes, when you first look at it, it does look like it's soft and it would break, like as if it was Play-Doh or clay, but it does not. It doesn't chip, it doesn't break, it doesn't mould, nothing sticks to it. When I first saw MCM, the flexible stone, I saw a video of them hitting it, and I thought straight away maybe they were doing it a little bit gentle. So this here is ceramic. Now it's been hit quite a few times already, and this is MCM. Okay? Now I'm going to hit this as hard as I can, and I'm going to make a mess to prove a point. So I'm going to hit this as hard as I can. So this is ceramic, MCM. As you can see, I can break it quite easily. Now, MCM, I'm going to do the exact same thing. Now, I'm not going to tap it lightly, I'm going to hit it as hard as I can. Big difference. I'll even use 2 hands. Hardly any breakage compared to that. And when you first see it, look, it's flexible, and you would think this would break. So as long as you've got a nice strong backing, you ain't going to chip it like you would with tiles. So it can be used on the floor, on the wall, anywhere.